So hello friends, I am now here at this Zia Boroli bridge spot. It is known as Choki Ghat, and here you can see the signboard that this river on which the new bridge has been constructed and inaugurated by the central government is the Zia Boroli river. And I just want to give you the view of this spot now. And this bridge has been inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister Narendra Modi, and this bridge is the connection between the east bank and west bank of the Zia Boroli river, and it is the communication for entire North Assam citizens. So it is pleasant moment that I am here to give you the view of this spot. And this bridge is called as Choki Ghat Bridge, and from this spot Tezpur is in about 5 or 6 kilometers, and Jamburi is 6 kilometers away from this spot. And this bridge is newly constructed and inaugurated along with the national highway, 4-lane national highway, and this is a pleasure for entire citizens of the Assam state that the national highway distance has been shortened to about 35 kilometers for it, and it is a positive thing that for all the peoples, especially the patients, to rush to hospitals, mostly to TMC, Tezpur Medical College and Hospital, and to GMC. The road is so been shortened, and it is a great thing for the citizens, and a great initiative taken by the central government. So thank you the central government, also thank you the state government, and the local MP, MLA. I want to give all the dignitaries thankful wish. So I just want to give you the view of this spot to you, and I think that you have got pleasure out of it, and I just want to give you the view of the Zia Boroli river here. And so before this inauguration of the bridge, before this bridge, the communication for the both bank was through boat, a machine boat. So it is now been the great comfortable for the commuters that the bridge has been in work, and so vehicles are in operation here. You can see here that so I today wanted to give the view of this spot, and my wish is complete, and I hope that you have to get pleasure out of it. And so thank you, have a good day, bye bye.